done. We shall prove ourselves in glorious combat!
Attackers incoming in 30 seconds. I'll have my eye on you.
And I will watch your back in turn.
Don't worry, my friends. I am your shield.
Five, four, three, two, one. Attackers incoming. Defend objective A.
Left side.
Thanks.
Rein is on the resource.
Everything.
I'm trying to camp for you.
Trace.
I will keep you.
Zarya left side. Might not fade, might not fade, might not fade.
Acknowledged.
Rein is looking for a shatter, I can tell.
I've got grab.
Yeah.
Don't worry, my friend.
Come to me, come to me.
I'm going, I'm going.
You're powered up. Get in there.
No! Couldn't save Zarya.
More state. Send me.
Falling back, falling back.
Just back off till I get back.
They're on McCree answer now.
Don't worry, my friend.
60 seconds remaining.
You can't.
Again! Again!
30 seconds.
My story.
Steel yourselves!
Are we doing this?
Back!
Go, go, go.
Let's go, let's go, let's go.
I'm going in, I'm going in. I've got 2.5.
There is still more to my tale!
My ultimate is charging.
We take the fight here. But watch for McCree high ground.
contest.
McCree in the room. One me.
I'm down.
Fire at will.
Unstoppable! There's still fight in me yet!
Moving forward.
Why is he doing?
Why would he do that? The rank of
Behind you, behind you, behind you, behind you.
I know.
Hanzo behind.
Fucking answer.
Central connect.
McCree, can you get this answer for me? You can see him shooting. Fuck. Oh, sorry. I didn't see you slap it.
Nice.
No bubbles for Zarya, no bubbles for Zarya.
Yeah, they're all down here, they're all down.
Come out and face me!
McCree on the bridge behind us.
I'm slapped in the side room.
I got you, I'm sorry.
Ryan's on his own.
I'm keeping shit.
Oh, yeah, that's for Ryan.
I believe.
Why me?
I'm coming, boys.
We've got a frig with one. Thanks.
Get off my lawn.
Score 0-1. Switching sides. Prepare to attack. Select your hero.
Wait, do you want to Lucio Bird?
Yeah.
Bottom left?
Yeah, I don't like going main either.
Justice will be done.
Hey kid, how about I hook up your lights to my music?
That is not what they're for.
Attack commences in 30 seconds.
Catchphrase!
Okay, you speed us up, speed us up.
I'll do it when we get to the point right now.
Yeah.
Come out and face me!
Just wait for her.
They have double shield. Regening shield a little bit.
Now's a good time to go, to be honest.
Yeah,
We've lost the team fit. Screw up. Go bottom left.
Wait for me!
No, oh no. Let's wait for the hands on.
Come out and face me!
Going fast, or is a barrier?
I can tell you now what we're doing wrong already.
Enlighten us.
Right, the hamster goes in, causes a distraction, and half the team's still at the back. The hamster needs to wait for us
Yeah.
to be ready to speed boost in together. Hamster, you're going in a little bit too early, friend. Okay, so when the hamster goes
Yeah,
in,
let's go.
I'm gonna speed boost, okay?
You ready?
I'm ready.
Yeah.
I'm ready.
Hamster going in.
Go, now.
Okay, nice.
Widow. The 9 res, the 9 res, the 9 res! Can't.
Where did a freaking Reaper come from?
It was on the high ground teleported from nowhere.
This
But they had a
is
Widow.
not over.
Oh yeah.
I'm so confused.
Well, it's probably the hands.
Yeah, it was the answer maybe.
I mean, basically do that again.
Yeah, we'll do it every time.
Fill up the hamster. Oh yeah, not yet, not yet.
Orisa.
Orisa, Orisa.
Even better than last time.
Really?
Maybe Shadow was overkill. Already went when Rally went in.
Nah, it's too good fun. You get it back soon.
And build.
Yeah.
Escort the payload.
We should play by payload because our healing's like.
I'm ready to go in.
Let us move it!
I am way back though.
The hamster's actually doing a really good job.
Play by payload.
Yeah, it's just the Reaper. I have my ult when we go in next time.
Reaper behind us, Reaper behind us.
He doesn't die.
As long as we're forcing ults, that's fine.
Zenyatta is here.
Poke, don't die. People is in the right room. Are in the right room. There is Mercy,
Yeah.
actually. Fucking Reaper, I have to shield them.
Hey, this thing is insane. I don't get it at all.
It's unkillable. I really hate it.
This is not over!
Real.
I'm ready.
They're ready to. I'm pushing up on
Reaper's low, Reaper's low.
Rein.
I lost 3 shots of the Reaper.
Reaper. Get them up.
As one.
There's still fight in me yet!
Can we please focus the Reaper? I mean, we need to first force raid and then kill it. Reaper raid, Reaper raid.
Careful, careful, careful. I got like one person.
We can't ignore the Reaper.
Guys,
30 seconds remaining.
why did we go in?
Come on, last attack, guys. We've got any outs? We've got 3. Nice.
Yeah, let's go. Go on, go on. Go, 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 go. Nice.
I have my Shadow on my own, Shadow on my own. No! Fucking Reaper!
Nice push.
On the mercy!
Nice. Push forward. Don't let them touch. Push, 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 push. Go forward. Okay, nice.
Fucking Sombra, fucking Sombra!
Payload is in my charge.
GG. God, that was close.
Good job, good.
Easy.
It's a good team.
Play of the game.
That was a nice blade.
I can't even follow with eyes. That was just a blur.